I'm Harshita and welcome to my channel Harshita Raj. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe my channel and please do press the bell icon. So today I've got a very interesting looking package from Byjus. Last time I had got a football calendar, as you can see. Yeah, it's a calendar. It's some beautiful message on it. So I had done the unboxing in my previous videos. You can go and check it out. So today again I've got some package, and every time I get a package from Byjus, it's very nice. So let's cut it. Okay, so I've cut it out. So let's see. It's actually heavy. So I don't know what is inside. The package is really looking beautiful. So let's see what's inside. What's this? Yeah. Okay, so it looks like a pouch. Okay, so it's heavy. So I really like guessing what's inside the gifts which I get. So let me guess this time. Since it's a little heavy, maybe a small book. No, a book won't fit. Okay, I'll stop guessing. I can't wait to open it. So as you can see, it's in purple and white. It's my favorite color. So Byjus from Byjus. Let's see what's inside. Whoa. What's this? From where do I start to find? Let's start from here. What's this? It's my birthday. Wow, it's a badge. I didn't pin it on. It's nice, but here, as you can see, something, there are some marks over here, if you can see. So, what happened? Maybe, okay, let's see more. What is this now? Yay, it's your birthday. It looks like an envelope. It's pretty nice. What's this? Looks like a bookmark. Very okay. Happy birthday to a very special you. Here's a recipe for your perfect birthday cake. I love my birthday cake. Fine, let's see what's written. Okay, here's a recipe for your perfect birthday cake. Spoonful of happiness. Okay, a pinch of curiosity, a dash of sunshine, a year of fun and learning. A year of fun in learning. And loads of sprinkles. Hope all your wishes come true this year. Team Byjus. Okay, this is done. Let's see what is this. Okay, this seems as a geometry box. Yeah. What is it? What's there? Okay, all these things are there. Oh, you can see some courses available in Byjus. So it comes from Byjus. Okay, let's see. Let's open it. Okay, as you can see. Is there something back? Okay, these are again the Hey, what's this? Seems like it's not packed properly, because in the batch also you can see a little bit of, wrinkles are there. Okay, so let's open it. Let's see what's there. Okay, you have some, formulas over here, some conversions you can say. Okay, so let's see what's this paper. Mathematical instrument box. So let's open it fully. Name, class, school. I think it's like a timetable. Yeah, it's a timetable. Okay, it's a timetable. So the symbols, the units, the SI units, the some definitions are given here. Okay, let's see what's inside. It's pouring. Hey, what's this? I don't think so we get it in any other geometry box. What's this? First of all, let's see what's actually this. Hey, it looks something related to chemistry. So this seems as a beaker. This is like a test tube, and yeah, this is okay. So these are some shapes of some apparatus that you find in the chemistry lab. Okay, so let's take this. Okay, this I think we get in all geometry box. Okay, so this is what you have actually. So it's actually in purple, my best color, my favorite color. Let's just see what's inside it. Okay, as hey, this is different. The sharpener is very different. See, it's round. Okay, what's this? Okay, so this is actually not covered. All other erasers are covered, but then it looks nice. It's a very cute one. It's little smaller than the others if you compare. It's very nice. Okay, you have a pencil as you can see. I wonder what's the quality of a pencil. I hope it doesn't break fast. Okay, so pencil is over. Okay, so this one divider everyone knows, right? Okay, it has a good grip. So a compass, everyone knows that. Let's see what is this. Okay, it's a scale. We have all the types of scales over here. Hey, wait, this is put, ulta. It is supposed to be like this. I think all are purple itself. They are really nice. So as you can see, the 4 scales. Okay, so anything else? Of course, this pouch. Hey, it's nice. Now I'll keep my pen in it and I'll go to school. Okay, so I can keep it like this. I'll keep my pencil, the sharpener, and the eraser. Okay, so I'm ready for school. Let's go. So this is all about the Byjus package which I had received as a birthday gift. Yeah, it's written. Yeah, it's your birthday. It's nice. I think the thing they have given inside is like a bookmark. So it's actually very nice.